Wayne County prosecutor Kym Worthy says her search for justice in the Flint water crisis isn't over. This is after a judge dismissed the criminal charges in the case.
Now that comes nearly 9 years since the switch was flipped in Flint, sending all that water with elevated lead levels through faucets in the city. Rod Maloney live tonight. And Rod, yesterday it was really a major setback for Worthy and her team and for really residents of Flint.
Well, it appears that way, but Kym Worthy is angry and she seems undeterred in terms of trying to move this case forward. I mean, basically what she said is that the one-person grand jury has worked for a very long time, and she's disappointed that a local judge dropped the charges.
The Supreme Court decision made clear that while the indictments were invalid, the one-man grand jury can issue warrants, and that was done in this case. The next step in the process is proceeding to preliminary examinations, and we're looking at that now.
The lack of that preliminary exam is what forced the charges dropped in 7 criminal cases out of the Flint water debacle. Yet Worthy says she and her team are supremely committed to the case and has a message for Flint residents.
We still care. We're going to hang in there. We're going to continue to fight for you. What happened was abominable and horrible that no one should have to go through.
On the other side is former State Health and Human Services Director Nick Lyons. His attorney, Charles Chamberlain, says Worthy should stand down.
We're in our 7th year of this ridiculous, pursuit here. And I don't know what more she has to do other than maybe read some law to figure out what's right and wrong.
He also decried a press release Attorney General Dana Nessel and Worthy put out yesterday claiming the court sided in favor of well-connected, wealthy individuals with political power and influence. Chamberlain calls that outrageous.
The people of Flint deserve justice, but they don't deserve to have their criminal justice system abused like she is. Kym Worthy's the person who basically said Judge Kelly, who just ruled, is on the tape.
And so Chamberlain sent a letter to Nessel and Worthy today asking them to basically back down from what they said, issue apologies or retract what they said. I asked Kym Worthy about that today in her press conference, and she said that she wouldn't respond in public to what she thinks about that letter, but she did say that she is not alleging judicial misconduct. Back to you.
It's hard to hear. You hear both sides on the legal going back and forth. Obviously, the residents are like, who is going to help us? We've got medical problems with our children. What is next here?
Well, Kym Worthy has a lot to think about here in terms of what her team can do. They have millions of pages of documents. They've got all kinds of discovery, but they need to go back over that and see whether they genuinely have a pathway toward moving this forward and whether they can get to that preliminary exam. We'll have to wait and see. She's not saying what she's going to do just yet.
We'll be following it. All right. Thank you, Rod.